How to change clock widget on iPhone lock screen. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia from Create Login and Delete. Today I will show you how you will be able to change your clock widget on your iPhone lock screen. Once you long tap on your lock screen, you will see the option of Customize. Click on that. Click on your main lock screen and then you will come to this page. Here at the top you can see three boxes, each having its own section. You can see there are different fonts of the time that you can pick from. You can also customize the thickness of the time according to your need and how you want it to look like. Not only that, if you click on the color option, there are tons of options for you to change the color of the clock or all the other writings that is written over there in any color you like. After that, there are other three boxes. So if you click on the topmost box, you will see different options according to your likings. So if you don't like the date and time that is shown in the box and your location, then you can customize your option according to your need. Now, once you click on the third box, you will see there are options like whether you want to have any app on top of there or calendar or Chrome or anything that you want. So that's it. That's how you change clock widget on iPhone lock screen. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe.